Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MachineryTrader mobile app review to save with what using. MachineryTrader is a mobile app designed for buying and selling heavy equipment. It lets you search for all kinds of machinery from excavator and loader to truck and trailers, all in a convenient platform. With a powerful filters, you can quickly find exactly what you need to make, models, price, hours of use, and location. The app lets you view photos, check equipment details, and connect directly with sellers to make a deal. But it's not perfect. Some users says the listing sometimes aren't up to date or may be complicated or duplicated. And the search can be confusing if you are not sure what you are looking for. There can be a lot of choice, which make it overwhelming at first. So while Machinery Trader is a handy tool for heavy equipment buyers and sellers, it's good ideas to double check listing and clarify details directly with sellers, and that's it.